Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can change your admin on Facebook page. It's pretty simple. You want to click on menu at the bottom right, and then switch to your Facebook page. So I will click on my Facebook page over here to switch into my Facebook page, and I will click on switch. Once I have switched into my Facebook page, I will click on menu again at the bottom right. And from over here, I will click on words as professional dashboard, and inside professional dashboard, I will scroll all the way down until I see this option called page access. I will click on page access. From over here, as you guys can see, Aveno Timla is my current admin to my Facebook page. Now, if I want to change it, first I need to remove him, then add a new one. So to remove him, I can click on the three dot right beside his name, click on remove from page, and enter the password of my Facebook page, and click and confirm, and he will be removed. So let me do that. Once I click and confirm, he's going to be removed. And once he's removed, now need to click on add you at the top, and click on what's his next. Once I click on next, I need to search for a new person to add. Like admin to my page, search for the person. I can click on his name. Click on over here where it says allow for access, and click and give access. And then enter the password of my Facebook account. Again, once I click and confirm, an invitation link will be sent to the new person. And if he accepts it, then he will become the admin of my Facebook page. So that is how we guys can change your admin on Facebook page. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.